Good morning.
Good morning.
Start our morning by picking malunggay.
Malunggay leaves.
Yeah, malunggay leaves.
Ayan, ganun mo yan.
Starting our day here in
Ayan daw, Marco.
where we at? Antipolo.
Antipolo.
Antipolo. So yeah, let's start our day and let's see what this babe brings. Let's go. Morning. The weather is very beautiful today. It's a great day. Like the wind is really cool and breezy. And we're here in Antipolo, giving you this virtual walk tour of the area, Antipolo. That's a cool tuk-tuk, cool car right there, and more. This is kind of uphill, so bear with me if I'm a little shaky. My ankle is also not really healed yet, but yeah, they have beautiful homes here in Antipolo. They said if I keep going up, I'll find a church. So we're just gonna keep filming until we reach the church. But at least you get to see the sights as well. Looks like a lot of construction going on. And then, yeah, more houses. So we're here in this subdivision. Please join me on this walk as we check out what's there around the area. A lot of beautiful style Filipino homes. And a lot of animals. Pretty cool. Got a chicken farm over here. Good morning. And again, very beautiful homes. Birds are chirping, and I'm looking at this very gorgeous home. Look at that fucking glass wall. That'd be great if you had like a cool view and stuff. It's like some mountainous regions over there, hills. Pretty cool. Morning. Beautiful homes. This one's for sale. This one's cool. They made a Christmas tree out of their existing tree. I think this area is like still developing, but they're developing into beautiful homes. I can't stress that. Ah, this one's nice. I love the stone wall. This place really totally reminds me of like Japan type of style. I love how people are just walking around the community. Yeah. A lot of new homes that popped up. Very cool. And I guess there's like a lot of little boonies on the side where people keep like pets, chickens. Queen of Redeemer. We're gonna take a right here. There's supposed to be a church. Wow, that house is pretty cool, man. Oh, if you could feel the breeze right now, it's freaking beautiful. It smells real good too around here. And just around beautiful houses. A lot of hills. Almost feels like we're in San Fran. Wow, here's a gorgeous view over there. You can see the backdrop. You can even see Makati from there. Nice. Again, the wind is picking in or coming in. Feels real good, man. And I can see this construction of this new beautiful home. Gorgeous. Great view over there. Look at that, look at that, look at that view right there. Try to zoom in. Again, we're in Antipolo. A little out of Manila, I would say. But yeah, just going for a walk. Again, I hope you do enjoy these cool sites I bring you of just random virtual walks and sites of places I'm at. Check this out. I found this cool thing where they like tie up books and they leave it on the side. I guess to decompose. So I just talked to this man over here. His name is Louis. He told me this whole area is a cool subdivision. Pretty cool. So check it. Found the church. Church is over here. Very quiet and beautiful. I'm not sure it's open right now, but we'll give it a look. It's called Our Lady of Quasi Parish. Quasi Parish. Our Lady of Lourdes Quasi Parish. Here. Beautiful house right there too, right across. We're going downhill. That's nice. The man I talked to about over there, he was asking me why was I taking pictures of the books and stuff, and I was having a little chat of him, and he told me that the view that I was looking at over there across was actually Ortigas. But yeah, we talked about garbage and why they tie it, and then his pickup days for the books. I was telling him it was very interesting, like a photogenic spot, so that's why I was filming and taking a picture of it. Let's continue on with our tour, our virtual walking tour of this place. Beautiful homes here. We're almost done. We're gonna head back. So I hope you guys enjoy that and enjoy these cool, beautiful homes here in the Manila Antipolo subdivision place where I'm at. Let's continue on with this walk, and then we'll finish the walk. This is where we were earlier. They have these cool chickens. Random guard dog. That's cool. Look at that. That's cool. It looks like it used to be an old Sari store. For sale. Another beautiful home. You guys are doing construction. There's that hill that we walked by earlier. And more sights. What's cool about it is I gave you a glance of one side and then another glance of going back to where we're going. And it kind of changes what you look at when you go back and review places that you're walking in. Little stray cats over here. And then, yeah, this is a gated community as well. But the guy I was talking to, Louis, said if you go out more and down, you'll see the nearest Sari Sari store. But we're gonna end the walk here. I hope you guys enjoyed this morning walk with me here in Antipolo. And you got to check out this cool gated community and more. I'm gonna head back now and I'll catch you guys on the next video. Thank you for watching. I'm out. Peace. I'm out. I don't know if you could see it, but there is Justice League on that window right there. You got Batman, Wonder Woman, and a Superman. This is a gated community. There's a guard, and yeah, it's a lot of humps. You're going uphill and a lot of gates that you gotta pass in order to get here. And it is also said that Coco Martin has a house around here. It's pretty cool. If you know him, he's a artista, he's a celebrity here in the Philippines. Let's continue with our walk and then we'll call it. Look, Jin. Bahay Kubo. Now that's cool. Very beautiful, very traditional Filipino home right near this home here. I think these are considered mansions in the Philippines. Bless you. In his house.
Did you call him?
No, it looks like him. Man, look at this. Pretty cool Japanese car. It's kind of getting eaten away. But yeah, this is a Ponte Verde. Look at that empty house. You get a free motorcycle at least. But it's beautiful. You get to hear the birds here. You see them flying up above. The wind is very cool. And just a very gated, safe community here in Ponte Verde. And a little bit over what you guys saw earlier. This is for a little bit of the more higher end, richer side. Found the Sari Sari store right here. That's cool. But yeah, gated community, a little bit for the richer side and more. That's cool. The dude just hanging there with no safety net or anything. Building houses here in Ponte Verde Avenue. All right, I showed you this view earlier, but I want to show you it again. Look at that. Beautiful sights of Manila, just down there. Ortigas. What is over here? There's a cool old water tower over there. That's cool. We're gonna check out this Sari Sari store here in Ponte Verde because Jin's here. There. Trying to buy some ice. Hello po. Ice cream.
What kind?
Any kind. Magnum.
There's a pre-born. I want this.
Okay, get me one of that.
This too?
Yeah.
Cheese and ube as well.
Cool. Sorry store. Ooh, candy. Oh, that's cool. You even have eggs. I've got jumbo cone. It's by Creamline.
Oh, she was this before.
Whoa, ube.
Ube and queso, I think.
Wow, look at this. They got a beautiful park here. Really beautiful skyline over there. Could have a cool picnic here. You can swing. Traditional Filipino swing, good stuff. And the very beautiful, awesome views over there. Look at that. And of course, you got your traditional seesaw, then traditional swing. Except instead of change, they use this bar. That's cool, man. Oh, there's a slide here. It even has like LED lights. Beautiful, man. That's so cool. Got a trash can over there. A bite of that ice cream that Jen got us.
Ito, kuya!
They even have a weekend market bazaar here. Right near that park. Little cool stuff. I hope you guys are enjoying this massive, long video of me just exploring Ponte Verde here in Antipolo. Cool sights, beautiful homes, weather's beautiful, cool stuff. Look at that. Let's continue on with our walk, our virtual tour of this area and place. Guys, please like this video, comment where you want to see me go next, subscribe if you haven't. So yeah, help me become an artista here in Philippines so I can get a home around here in this Ponte Verde place. I'll buy a home here if I become an artista here. So if you're listening, ABS, CBN, or GMA, or whatever, let me know. TV5, let me know. I'm down for anything, man. Let me become an artista here. Cheers. Alright, taking the PC back. But I hope you guys enjoyed that Ponte Verde walking tour. Please leave a like as I said. Subscribe if you haven't. Comment down below where you want to see me go next. And yeah, share the channel with your friends and family. I'm posting videos every day. So keep tuned, stay tuned. I'm also doing live streams of my travels here in Manila and my further travels later on. Peace. I'm out.